What is up, you guys? We have my boy Chill Bill here today. Monkey Business sent me this to review, so we're just gonna go ahead and open this up. This guy is so cool. Right off the bat, we got a rubberized exterior, plastic front. This guy is adorable. So if you guys don't know about Monkey Business, they basically just create unique gadgets for the kitchen to enhance your culinary experience. They also just make super fun kitchen gadgets that are practical, just make the joy of cooking and being in the kitchen a lot more fun. To be completely honest, these things make amazing gifts. Go and check out the other stuff that Monkey Business has because it's just so much fun. Everything they have is so unique, and I promise you, it's like stuff you never seen before. Great gifts. This is the deodorizer for the refrigerator. This is Chill Bill, guys. So I'm gonna open this up. This comes right out. We have an opening right here on the backing that's gonna vent the baking soda, and it's super simple, guys. His stomach is a little holder. I have some baking soda right here. We're gonna fill it up. Basically, all this does is just eliminate the odors in your fridge. It does it so well. So if you guys didn't know, the baking soda does absorb and eliminate odors, and this does fit like a large fridge. All you have to do is just scoop it in, throw a little bit in there. We're just gonna put this right back inside. It just clicks into place, really perfect, super light. This thing doesn't take up a lot of space at all. You can honestly just throw this anywhere in the fridge, front or back. I think it's more funny if you throw it kind of on the front or like in the shelf on the fridge, just because people are like, what is that? It's just kind of funny, but this thing's awesome, works great. And whenever it doesn't work anymore, all you gotta do is empty out the baking soda and put more in there. Usually you have to use something like this. This is something that I've already had. It's just a box that you buy, and it just looks stupid. It doesn't look that cool. It's not visually appealing. It's pretty boring. But this takes up way less space than that. It's super practical. So here we are with Chill Bill. We got the vents right here. Baking soda's preloaded in. And what I like to do is just stick him right in the shelf. And honestly, he fits in there perfectly. Like, he's just a little shelf guy that just sits there. He's so chill. He just hangs out. He's super cool and keeps the fridge really fresh. This thing is awesome. Go and check out Monkey Business for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.